night. We stop to take a break. We're resting by the railroad. You by my side, but fear starts to take hold. The train is just a dot, a smudge on the horizon. The horn sounds and you take off like a shot. I'm calling out your name, but now the sun is setting. No trace and shadow settle steel and gray. I scour the vast expanse, but all I see is nothing. You ran for hours and now you're far away. You were my joy, you were my best friend. Please come back to me. I didn't know that this was the end. Please come back to me. Oh, please. It's almost 4 a.m. Silence makes my heart sink, afraid of never seeing you again. The dawn is light on. The silence makes my heart sink. I pack up camp, it's time to move along. You were my joy, you were my best friend. Then come back to me. I didn't know that this was the end. Please come back to me. Oh, please. $118 days. The morning sun and coffee. I see a blur and know that you return. You are my joy, you are my best friend. You came back to me. I didn't know this wasn't the end. You came back to me. You are my joy, you're my best friend. You came back to me. I didn't know this wasn't the end. You came back to me. Oh.
You send